decided to spend a little time on the log trailer before I pick up my kids from school. This got hit with a big pine log when I was loading and bent it down and smashed it. So I'm going to cut that off, square it all up with the grinder, and then weld it back on. This has always been bent here. I probably won't. Maybe if I get it all apart, I'll square that up too. And grind all that cleaned up. And then I'm going to replace that 7-wire. It's actually good all the way down till it gets here. This splice on this one has a bad wire in it, so I don't use all the 7 wires, so I crisscrossed them and ran some other wires inside. But I'm going to go ahead and run about 50 feet of all new 7 wire. So I'm just going to run all new 7 wire, cut that bad piece off, throw it away, and then I'll have, 20 feet of spare 7 wire, and then I'll clean this up. And whoever welded this last time, it looks like they blew through it, so I'll clean all that up. All right, well, it's the end of the day. I'm gonna go inside and make dinner. I got the plug put on and I welded it on there. Originally I thought about actually just getting rid of all this because I have enough 7 wire to just run all the way back to the junction box, but I thought, that's a good idea in case I need to unplug it and I'm doing some troubleshooting, or like that's what I did with the old 7 wire that shorted out internally. So I was able to unplug it and then plug it into the truck and it would trip the breaker, anyways. But welded it. It'll look better. I'm going to paint the trailer again. I'm hoping to anyways, so that won't stick out like that, like a sore thumb, all fresh. But yeah, so I got all the wires off so I can run the new wires and loop everything equally again. And here's the old 7 wire. Man, this thing had, this long one I think didn't have any splices in it. It may have had one, I can't remember. I don't think there's any splices in this one. But in the short one where the stinger is, 1 splice, 2 splice, 3 splice, and then this was the 4th splice. 4 splices in, I don't know, 10 feet. But that's because it would always get pinched in here and it's always bending and it got pinched. A lot of guys run their 7 wire down inside the stinger on self-loaders, but this is my scale wire here, but mine does not. So I'm gonna put some hose wrap on it in there. But anyways, yeah, there's all 50, I think it's 50 feet of brand new 7 wire. So I'm gonna bring that in the house, put a new end on it, plug it in, then loop it all, and then I'll cut it to the right length with a little extra. But anyways, that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Bye now.